guys, now that we are in the fall weather, I would like to introduce my homemade chicken soup, and I hope you guys enjoy. Keep on watching. So first we're going to turn our Instapot onto the sauteed setting. We are going to add some olive oil, followed by some garlic. Now we're going to add our vegetables. So I'll be adding some green bell peppers, some parsley, cilantro, and a whole onion. So you're gonna let your vegetables get nice and soft. And now it's time to add your chicken. So once your chicken is in, you're gonna add 4 cups of water, followed by your seasonings. So I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, followed by 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and some fresh ground black pepper. So let's go ahead and change our settings to the soup broth setting and add our lid. Once the 20 minutes is over, you're gonna go ahead and pop that lid off, and we're just going to check on our broth and start shredding our chicken. I will be adding some green chives, followed by a pack of cauliflower rice. And I got this cauliflower rice from Costco, guys. It comes in a big bundle pack, but you can use any type of cauliflower rice you use. I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of seasonal and mixing that on up and adding the lid. After 5 minutes of that cooking, you're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning and 2 dabs of paprika. And there you guys go. You are done. In total, this meal took me about 35 minutes in total to prepare. And guys, it turned out so good. Most of the time I like to use regular rice, but this cauliflower rice was a great substitution. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Okay, bye.